Do you know you can make 1,000 subscribers in 1 month? I wanted to tell you that you can make 1,000 subscribers in 10 days, in 1 day. Please accept it or reject it. Okay, anyway, this video is to appreciate the new subscribers who have flocked in on Immaculate Show in 10 days. You guys, we have registered 1,000 subscribers in 10 days, as you can see on the screen. And if I'm to be formal or official to come officially, really I felt I'm doing I'm not grateful. That's why I said, okay, let me chip in and I bring this clip. It is going to be short, but is to appreciate and also to tell our creators there, if you're a new creator or you've been on YouTube for some time and you're like, oh my God, I'm not getting 1,000 subscribers. What is happening? Please, I want you to boil a leaf from our previous experience or from this experience. As of now, as I'm recording this short video or this unofficial video at the comfort of my home after work, I felt, no, I'm not going to be official so much. Let me appreciate you. You guys, everybody that has subscribed to Immaculate Show, 1,000 subscribers in 10 days is not something to joke with. People finish 1 year, people finish the 2 years, even finish 6 months fighting to get 1,000 subscribers. But here we are, without lifting a finger, you subscribe to our YouTube channels. Now I always tell you guys that someone subscribed to your YouTube channel should have watched it once, twice, thrice, and like, okay, let me subscribe. It's very rare for somebody to subscribe on the first day. You know, it was your first time and you subscribed. I really, I say I salute you so much. You're not in a wrong place, you're in a right place. This platform is to teach you. When you want to ignite fire, most of the time you go and just click. That's what we do. We are igniting fire in you to make sure that you know, oh, poverty is a bastard. I can get out of poverty. I can feel, I can be expectant, even if I'm a stay-home mom, even if I'm a student, even if I'm working, I can an extra income. If I want to have comfort like what I'm working for, I want to have freedom or time freedom. I want to have freedom with my family. I have to have freedom with myself. I don't want to be, you can, this is what we teach. And what do you use? We don't want you to invest anything. You only invest what is your focus and what you want to do. So you have smartphones. This is what we teach purposely. So you're in a right platform. You can go ahead if you want to be part of our family now inside. This is a general family. The moment you subscribe, you become our, you've joined the bigger family. But there is that cream family. If you want to do that, you can click and pay the membership. It is very simple. We didn't put high membership because we wanted everybody to be a partaker of what we give. So I always see people asking like for links in the comment section, asking for links, madam, give us these links. Those ones majorly are being given by people who have paid membership, where you click and go direct to a platform or a video. So kindly, if you want to be in that nuclear family, you can also go ahead and do that. Now, coming back to our main thing, apart from appreciating people who have come, I really want you to be serious. It's not that we want, yes, people are there to watch us, to give us views, but as you watch us, I want you to take up your mobile phone, your gadgets, and start watching. If you see the analytics of people who have subscribed, do you know that 891 people came up just from one video? 891 people. Then the rest, the total came from other videos. So I encourage you guys, don't give up. Who knew that one video can bring 1,000 people? Who knew it? How many videos have we done? We've been done very many videos. We'll get 10, 12. The maximum we have been having like 86 there's a time we had 306 in a week, but we had not gone to thousands. Yes, I believe that. So guys, why am I really appreciating? When you have subscribers, it means these people have followed you, have appreciated what you're doing, and they decided to click on subscribe. And that one means that it is giving us watch duration, and at the same time there is the rank it is putting us. Who doesn't want to hit 1 million? You hear VIDQ in million, you hear Odetta, you hear people celebrating. So for us, we are targeting at least to hit by June. We should be 10K. Why not? And organic. So this is a pro tip to people who are coming up. You don't know. That's why I said never be there and say this video is the best video that is going to give me money, this video is the best video that is going to give me subscribers or watch hours. No way. What you do your part. Show up every day. There is someone out there waiting to hear from you, and whatever you consider to be very stupid, whatever you consider, no, this is wow, might not be wow for other people, and what you consider to be very cheap and less might be big for other people. So focus on doing what you're supposed to do. That's why I don't give up. Even if I give up, by the time I made this video, I'd said, no, Christine, can you have also a rest? If you come from the work, I came from work, before having dinner, I'm like, no, the program, the schedules, what I was supposed to do to record some videos, I said, I'm not going to enter that studio, please. But then I'm like, I shouldn't let these people not be appreciated. I'm not going to wait and have millions. They say, the moment you appreciate one will bring two will bring 4. So you guys, we are very grateful for you to be here. And for new creators, if you want to make money, please, I want you to go down and research deep. Whatever you get here, whatever you get on people's platforms is 1%. That one I'm not going to lie you. But what I want to see you, I want also to see you in 6 months, in 7 months. I want you to discover who you are. Which skill do you have? What do you think you can do in the closet? What do you think you can do when you are alone? I don't mean for you to be on TikTok for the whole rest of the day and dancing. No, I mean, can you contribute something to the world? Can you add value? So meaning that you cannot, if you fail to add value, if you fail to solve a problem for people, if you not, how do I call it? At least give them happiness. Dance for them, but the right dance of making money, not just for the sake of dancing. So guys, thank you very much. Please, let me tell you, creators, subscribers out there waiting for you. They are only waiting for the right video for them. There is a video that is assigned to them to pass through to come to you, but you've not yet done that video. So the videos you're doing there, you use. So keep on doing them. Keep on doing your videos. Keep on doing your videos. Thank you very much. Let us see each other in another video. Don't forget to like this and even call other subscribers. Our goal is 10K by June.